Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's wealth step-by-step review video, I'd like to show you the compensation plan and how you can earn $468 every single month in recurring commissions. And I'm also a bit later on going to show you some proof of my commissions, and we're going to give you some free resources and free training to help you build wealth step by step. And a bit later on the video, I'm going to give you a free 7-figure earners blueprint training that you can use to promote wealth step by step. But first of all, I want to explain the compensation plan, because this is really important, because with our team, we have a team rotator and we give you paid members. So that's the first really important thing to note within this compensation plan. And what I'm going to put a little marker on here, and I want to explain how this works, because it's really, I think, one of the best compensation plans that I've seen in the make money online industry. So this is the first matrix, and there is a matrix 2 and a matrix 3, but we're going to focus today on this matrix, and we're going to focus on a long-term plan. It's not going to happen overnight, on how we can earn $468 every single month in recurring commission. So what we have here is we have different levels. So in this column here, we're going to look at the levels. And first of all, we've got level 1. And when 3 members go into your level 1, then after that you're qualified to earn commission. So you'll see there's no commissions on this row here for level 1. And show you this one here. So what happens is, this is my back office in Wealth Step by Step, and this is my level 1 here. And these 3 members here, if you look at the word sponsor, they were put in by the team rotator. So this is how I know that the team rotator works. So Roland was sponsored by Frank, but they put me as the parent because it's in my business. Heike, sponsored by Frank. So Heike, I'm the parent. And Glenn was sponsored by Frank, and that's been put into me through what's called spillover. And on level 2, so once I got my 3 there and level 1, I can now earn commissions. You'll see I'm starting to earn commissions. So this month so far, $14. And Robert, you'll see, is sponsored by me, and that was last month. Sterling was given to me, and Kevin was referred by me. So I'm getting not only a $4 commission from Kevin, but I'm also getting the $10 fast startup bonus, and that's where this $14 comes from. So by me referring Kevin, I get $10 plus the $4, and the others I will get the commissions on. So let's just go back now. So this is just the beginning for me. I'm looking at this as a long-term plan. So you'll see there, that's how the first 2 levels work. So you saw that I had 3 on my second level. So once my second level is filled up, some I'll get myself. I'll just carry on promoting well step by step. And some are going to be put into my team with the team rotator, because the bigger this team builds, the faster you're going to get people in your team. So when my second level fills up, 9 times 4 would be $36 a month in commission. And it costs $15 a month to be a member of Wealth Step by Step. And on this Matrix 1, you get a free autoresponder. So once my second level is filled up, Then what happens, this is where it really starts to get interesting. Then the third level of the matrix gets opened up. And then you start to refer yourself. We do recommend you promote yourself. And by promoting yourself and with the help of the team rotator, you earn 27 times 4. And then you start to earn $144 in monthly recurring commissions. These are not one-off commissions. You're going to get your fast start bonus for the ones that you refer yourself, but 144. And then the fourth level, where it gets even more interesting, is when that fills up to 81. So it's not going to be overnight. It's going to take time. We'll look at it as a long-term opportunity. 81 times 4 is where you get your 468. And we're going to call that RC. That's monthly recurring commission. And all you pay is $15 per month. We're here to help you. We're here to help and support you. We're here to train you. And we're also here to give you free members, paying members, and put those into your matrix. And I'll just quickly show you that again. So level 1's filled, and I've got 4 out of 9 for level 2. So I'm nearly into profit already. I made commission last month. I'm $1 down on this month, but long term, let's show you the free resources that we give you. So as a team, we're here. So this is a done for you system. Everything's done for you. All you've got to do is copy and paste a few share codes. We use the Leads Leap platform, and Leads Leap is a free lifetime membership. So we've got all the lead capture pages here. You'll see here it says share code. So all you do, we even give you instructions, and all you do is copy and paste these into the back of Leads Leap, follow the instructions. It's really beginner friendly. And then these just become yours, exactly the same as these, with your own link to promote. You see under this column here, emails, we give you all the share codes for all the emails to follow up. So you don't have to create any subject lines. You don't have to create any email content. Everything here as a team we provide for you. We provide banners. I'll mentor you one-to-one if you want some help with mentoring. We've got banners, lead capture pages, email follow-ups. Everything's here that you need. And we've also got recommended traffic sources as well. And as a thank you for watching this video all the way through today, I'm going to give you this 7-figure blueprint training. And this is beginner friendly. So if you haven't made your first dollar online yet, or you're struggling to get consistent commissions every single month, or you're struggling to earn monthly recurring commissions, then this is a great training for you. And I'll put a link in the description. It'll take you to a training page exactly the same as this. And it's by Jeff Amon, who's one of my mentors. And he's going to teach you in these video tutorials how you can earn consistent growing monthly commissions online. And you can use this blueprint training to promote wealth step by step, or you can use it to promote any offer that you want to promote now or in the future. So I'll put a link in the description. It'll say 7-figure blueprint training. Just click on that and it'll take you to this training page here and watch those tutorials. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and click the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. At the moment, I'm doing a new video every single day. And my long-term plan is to do new content every single week, several times a week. And there's now over 800 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about wealth step by step, then please leave those in the comments below. There'll be a link in the description where you can get a lot more information than I've given you here today. And then that's a link to join our team, fastest growing team in wealth step by step. And we're here not just for me one-to-one mentoring. We're here as a team to help and support you and help you become successful with wealth step by step. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.